Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and manage Outlook storage. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply open any browser you want to go ahead and open, and simply go ahead and search for Outlook and click on the first link. Make sure that you are logged into your account. I've already made a video on how you can simply go ahead and create an account or log in, so you can go ahead and watch those and get back to this one. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and select all the mails that you don't like, and you can simply go ahead and delete it. Other thing that you can go ahead and do is go into your junk emails, go ahead and delete those deleted items, make sure those are deleted as well. And now all you need to do is go to file, go to settings, and then go to general, or you need to go to mail and then rules, and you can create a new rule and add a condition saying before any date, if you have received any emails before this date, you can simply add an action to delete. That is it. You can simply go ahead and click on run rule now, and then it will go ahead and do it once you save it. That is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.